Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the latest Interlink DAO vote update and what it means to a verified $ITLG holder. Right now, option 2 is leading with around 80% of the votes. And if approved, the immediate liquidity conversion ratio between verified $ITLG and $ITL will be 16/9. A lot of people are confused about locking, vesting, and how the conversion actually works. So in this video, I will break down everything step by step on the conversion rate and the locking updates. So what is happening now in Interlink is that the Interlink DAO community is currently voting on how these verified $ITL holders can convert their tokens into $ITL. So under option 2, users can increase their conversion ratio depending on how long they chose to lock or invest their tokens. This system is designed to reward long-term supporters and ecosystem. So one of their insider, this is what he said few hours ago. He said that the current DAO vote is leaning towards option 2 with 80% of the votes. Additionally, some friends have asked me if they can choose only locking or only vesting. The answer is yes. You can decide to choose only the locking session, or you choose both, or you choose the vesting, whichever one that you want to do, you can choose any. And he said here, although the mechanism like both locking and vesting method together, the answer is yes, you can choose any. But he is also trying to let you know that the mechanism love both locking and vesting methods together. And he said you can choose locking up to 5 years, that is 0 months vesting, or vesting for up to 120 months, that is a year locking. And he said for those who choose both locking and vesting, their allocation will be as follows. So if you decide to choose both voting and vesting and locking, the allocation will be as follows. For example, if you choose locking for 3 years and vesting for 6 months, your balance is 75,000 verified ITLG. The ratio for this option will be 7.5:1 if you decide to lock for 3 years and vesting for 6 months. And this means your corresponding ITL balance will be $10,000 ITL. This balance will be locked for 3 years. That is if you want to choose the 2 method. And he said after 3 years, the $10,000 ITLG will be unlocked and gradually allocated over the next 6 months, equivalent to receiving $166.66 ITLG per month. So if you decide to vest for 3 years, have a verified ITLG of 7,000, that means for that 3 years, what you are going to receive is 10,000 ITL. And that 10,000 ITL will be gradually unlocked every month, and you'll be receiving $166.66 ITLG every month until the allocated 10,000 ITLG is given to you. Now, locking and vesting will only apply to $ITLG. They say during this process, your verified ITLG balance will remain intact and can be used within the ecosystem without any restriction. Thank you for your attention. So this is Interlink latest updates. Look at what they said here. Option 1, hardware account. Option 2, this is the leading one, and the option 3, and this is the how locking and vesting work. Take your time to read about it. The locking and the vesting method, the conversion rate. Mind you, are converting your $ITLG to ITL. So ITL is the main coin. You can choose to lock for 1 year, vest for 1 year, or 2 years, or 3 years, 4 years, and 5 years. So this is their latest updates. You can choose 2 years locking, and that 2 years locking, you can also choose 5 years vesting, that is 60 months. An example is this. So if you have $150,000 ITLG, you'll be raising 15,000 ITL. And after the 2 years locking period ends, the ITL unlock gradually through monthly distribution over the following 5 years. So take your time and read more about this. This is Interlink latest update. So what your ITLG will determine the amount of lockup that you will have. It will determine the amount of lockup that you will have. Make sure that you are active, and if you have not done your KYC, try to do your KYC so that you can participate fully. So this DAO vote could become one of the biggest decisions for the future of Interlink ecosystem. Before choosing any option, make sure you fully understand locking period, vesting duration, conversion ratio, long-term benefits. Always do your own research and choose the strategy that matches your financial goals. So this is the end of this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment your opinion in the comment section. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.